Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to give permission to somebody to access your Google form and to edit it in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page from which we can get started. So in the upper right corner, you can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So once you're logged in, you can get started by opening up this main page right here. In the home page, we can get started creating a form if you do not already have one. If you already have one, you can go ahead and manage all your recently created forms right here. As you can see, now we can go and get started with getting permission for users to access our form. So if you do not already have a form, you can click the plus button right here. That's going to enable you to create a form. Here you can go and give it a name, you can give it a description, input any kind of questions that you want, and so on. And if you already have created a form like me, you can go ahead and open up from right here. So here's my tutorial form for a video where you can say I have a question with some answers, and now I want to enable somebody to edit my form or access it and so on. Basically guys, what I have to do is right here in the upper right corner. It's very easy. We're just going to click this option right here. This is the share button. By clicking the share button, this is now going to enable us to go ahead and access people who we want to give access to. So here you can go ahead and input anybody you want to give access to, guys. You can go and manage the editor view, you can go and manage the responder view, anybody with a link, you can go and manage your editor view from right here. People with access, you can input their email or group, calendar events, whatever you want to find them right here. So go ahead and find whoever you want to add. Once you're satisfied and you have added them, just click done. By clicking the done button, it's going to add that people to the edit list, and now they're going to go and be able to access this Google form. They're going to go and be able to change it, input questions, names, and so on, and all of that is going to be available by giving them permission right here. After that, you can just publish the form normally and publish it, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.